CalFresh Healthy Living Program, University of California Cooperative Extensions in the counties of Santa Clara, San Mateo, and San Francisco. And today, I'm going to be your nutrition educator. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning the importance of eating a wide variety of foods from each My Plate food group. Before we begin, let's review the My Plate food groups using our handy dandy My Plate. The 5 My Plate food groups are fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Each My Plate food group provides our body with a main nutrient. A main nutrient is the most important nutrient that My Plate food group provides our body. Also today, I'm going to be teaching you an acronym to help you remember the main nutrients of each My Plate food group. And that acronym is Cows Are Cooking Blueberry Pancakes. The first letter of each word stands for a specific main nutrient related to a food group that we have learned about. C stands for calcium, A stands for vitamin A, C stands for vitamin C, B stands for the B vitamin, and P for protein. The first letter of the acronym is the letter C. That stands for calcium, the main nutrient for the dairy food group. My favorite dairy foods are cheese, yogurt, and cottage cheese. Have you ever heard of the drinkable yogurt called kefir? A breakfast that I like to eat in the morning that has a variety of My Plate food groups is yogurt with granola and fruit. The next letter of the acronym is the letter A for vitamin A, the main nutrient for vegetables. There are 4 vegetables that are high in vitamin A with a serving size of 1 cup. And those vegetables are collards, kale, butternut squash, and sweet potatoes. The next letter of the acronym is the letter C for vitamin C, the main nutrient for fruits. There are 4 fruits that are high in vitamin C, and those fruits are kiwis, mangoes, cantaloupe, and citrus fruit. Okay, everyone, let's put on our thinking caps because it's fun fact review time. And the question for today is, what is vitamin C good for? Can I get a drum roll? Vitamin C is good for our body because it helps us heal from injury and makes us feel better when we're sick. Something that I personally like to do is mix and match bright, vibrant, and dark vegetables and fruits in my daily diet to ensure I get a variety of vitamins and minerals. The next letter of the acronym is the letter B for the B vitamin, the main nutrient for grains. Grains provide our body with energy. There are 2 kinds of grains. We have refined grains like white rice, whole grains like brown rice. Whole grains are higher in fiber, which is great for our digestive system, and it keeps our heart healthy. A rhyme that I like to teach my students to ensure that they eat a whole grain for breakfast is, grains are good for our brains. The last letter of this acronym is the letter P that stands for protein, the main nutrient for the protein food group. When planning our meals, we want to make sure we have a variety of proteins. There are 2 kinds of protein sources. We have animal-based proteins and plant-based proteins. Examples of animal-based proteins are lean meats like chicken, turkey, seafood, and eggs. Then we have plant-based proteins, which include legumes like beans, garbanzos, and lentils. And also in this group, we have tofu, soybeans, peanut butter, and seeds. A personal goal of mine each week is to have a plant-based protein day to ensure variety in my diet. And the dish that I like to cook is whole grain noodles with vegetables and tofu to make a quick stir fry. Yummy! By selecting different foods from each My Plate food group, we're ensuring our body gets a variety of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are substances that are found in the foods that we eat that help our bodies stay healthy and strong. Also, let's try to make it a goal this week to eat different colors from each My Plate food group. Okay, everyone, I want you all to imagine. One of my favorite foods is pasta. Let's compare these 2 pasta dishes. In the pasta dish on the right, we have pasta with spaghetti meat sauce. This meal has a grain, a protein, and a vegetable from the tomato sauce. But are we getting a variety of different foods from each My Plate food group? Now, let's look at the pasta dish on the left. Compared to the pasta dish on the right, we can see that there's a variety of vegetables from the vegetable food groups, and they are red bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. This dish is also made with a whole grain pasta and a lean protein like chicken. This is an example of how we can create a dish with a variety of different foods from each food group, but also from the same food group. Doesn't it look delicious? Think about what you're going to eat today. Is what you're going to eat today have different My Plate food groups? Does your meal or snack include different foods from the My Plate food groups? If you answered no, you can use a handout titled Food List to ensure you get variety in your diet when planning your next meal and snack. By eating an array of foods from each My Plate food group and choosing different colors, we're giving our body the opportunity to absorb vitamins and minerals that help our body stay healthy and strong. Not only that, but it makes our foods more appealing to our taste buds and also more nutritious. I want to thank you all for taking the time today to learn about the importance of eating a wide variety of foods from each My Plate food group. Thank you all. Bye.